Hello everyone. Hola, buenos dias. Welcome from the a little bit cloudy Medellin. It's Tuesday, September 15th, 2020, and this is 5KP weekly mentoring videos where we are managing 5K account and learn how to trade on a smaller size accounts. Let me bring up the disclaimer. It's very important for you to remember that this video is only for informational educational purposes. I have a special program for today. As always, there is a special program, and we'll be talking about a few interesting topics. We will, of course, look into the portfolio management. We'll look at the performance and winners and losers in our portfolio. I will talk a little bit about the Oracle trade. I call it the stress trade because Oracle was moving in a very weird way recently, and I didn't plan it properly. So I didn't notice that Oracle is about to announce earnings and that there was this TikTok talk about it. And nevertheless, I entered the trade like 18 days ago. And I had a little bit of stress with this, so I was looking like this lady here, watching my phone all the time and checking if I'm all right with this. So looking also at the minutely charts to be able to make my decisions related to, either I need to exit that trade with the loss or accept or stay and get a win. So I will tell you and show you what I did and how it worked. So simulated trading, our 5K account. And you can see that it's performing quite well right now. So we'll go through all the positions first, and then I will talk about the Oracle. You see, Oracle trade is not there right now. Yes, but because it expired, right? So that was the position that expired last week, so on the Friday, and we will discuss what happened there and why I was so stressed about it. GOLD, that performed really well. So it was a short put spread on 3 contracts. We have 3 days till expiry. It generates $2 per day in theta, and I think it's gonna expire worthless. So we really don't have to manage this trade too much. It looks like this on the risk chart. We're almost max win, which is $51, and in 3 days we're just gonna secure that cash. I don't want to close it manually right now because there are fees associated with this, and we have very small portfolio, very small account. I want this contract to simply expire worthless and jump into a new one probably next week. So when this expires, it will release around $750 of buying power. That's fantastic. So gold, we don't need to worry about it. What we sold like 26.5 put options, while gold is trading now at 30. So not very likely for it to drop in 3 days. Now, Intel is another position. It's another short put spread. While Intel is trading now at 50s, I sold the short put at 47.45. If you look at the chart, that was a very good bet. Let me put the Intel in there. You see the Intel dropped some time ago on this news on the inability of Intel to produce 5 nanometer chip or something like that, and then it's just stopped there. It found its support at the levels of 47, I would say, and then also 48, and then it started trading up on that drop in tech sector. Intel also reacted, but it didn't react so rapidly and so much as all the other tech sector stocks, because it was already corrected by so much. So I thought, selling at 47 or whatever I sold there makes total sense. And I don't see Intel going there anytime soon. And you see it recovered today. It's in the 50s. So it's very likely we're just going to keep that cash. It is expiring also in 3 days. We'll release 1K of buying power on an analyzed tab. We are basically here. So max profit almost $75. That's going to end up in our pocket. So Philip Morris is the last one. You remember this butterfly we've been keeping here for quite a while. It has 94 days in it. And I gave it more time because Philip Morris is not such a big mover. And I expected it to go to the levels of $85 and so on. So I sold basically 2 calls at the level of 85, which is the peak of the butterfly, broken wing butterfly. Right now it's trading at 82.31. So if we analyze this, and we look at our PM butterfly, you see we actually ended up finally in the theta positive zone. What does it mean? Well, we're inside of that butterfly's head.